Hello everyone, I'm Satyan and I'm going to show you how to use the AnyCard gift card app on the Clover device. Once you install the AnyCard app, you will see an icon like this, and when you open the AnyCard app, you will see options to activate gift card, reload the gift card. You can check the balance of both physical and digital gift card. You can redeem both physical and digital gift card, or you can reverse the last transaction. Now I'll show you a couple of these actions. So if I'm activating a physical card, then I can either use the barcode, manually type in, or I can scan the barcode like I'm doing in this case, and then enter the amount to activate. So in this case, I'm loading $50 card, submit. So this confirms, I'll see the confirmation message that my card is activated, my transaction ID and the current balance. Now, the next step is to quickly check if my card has that much balance. So I can either scan the barcode or I can swipe the magnetic stripe. Now, to check the balance, I need to know the PIN code for this card. So once the credential accepted, then I can see the current balance on this particular card. Now, if I want to redeem this card, then I can open the option to redeem. Again, I can either scan the QR barcode. So, so I can scan the barcode and then enter the PIN. Enter the amount that I want to redeem. So I had a $50 in my card. I'm redeeming only $25. Total orders, in this case it happens to be $25 only, and then submit. So now I see my card is being redeemed with $25 and my current balance remaining on the card is $25. Now once I confirm, the reverse option is basically allows me to reverse the last transaction. Now in this case my last redemption was 4353329 transaction ID. So app will remember your last transaction ID, so you don't need to put that here. And then I can either do a full reversal or I can do a partial reversal. So my balance on my gift card is back to $50. Thank you.